Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through B2 First Open Cloze exercise number FCE047. Let's start with number 1. I gave up my seat on the bus blank that an old woman could sit down. The correct answer is so. We use so that to indicate purpose. For example, he left early so that he could catch the train. Another example is, she studied hard so that she could pass the exam. We are talking about the reason you do something. Moving on to number 2. The film was awful. The best thing blank it was the photography, which was beautiful. The film was shot in Cambodia. The correct answer is about. We use about to refer to a specific aspect of something. For example, the best thing about the book was the plot. Another example is, what I love about this city is the vibrant culture. Next up, question 3. What a strange looking dog. Do you know what blank it is? The correct answer is breed. Breed refers to a specific type of animal within a species. For example, what breed of dog is that? Another example, she raises a rare breed of chicken on her farm. Another possible answer for this question is type. Here's question 4. Blank me a favour and pass me the phone that's on the newspaper, please. The correct answer is do. We use do together with favour when asking someone to perform a task or service. For example, can you do me a favour? Another example is, I did him an enormous favour and he never thanked me. On to question 5. First, you will need to go to the post office. Blank, you can buy all the stamps and envelopes you need. The correct answer is where. Where introduces a clause referring to a place. For example, this is the shop where I bought my shoes. Another example is, do you know where I can find a good restaurant? Question 6. If you haven't been to the doctor's for a check for over a year, you blank go as soon as possible. The correct answer is should. Should is used to give advice or recommendations. For example, you should see a doctor if you feel unwell. Another example is, you should apologize for being late. Question 7. Madrid is a wonderful city, but it has fewer parks, blank London, which is a shame because of the hot and sunny weather there. The correct answer is than. Than is used in comparisons. For example, New York is bigger than Boston. Another example is, she is taller than her brother. And now the last one, question 8. Turn the machine off. That alarm means it can't blank working properly. The correct answer is B. Can't be indicates that something is not possible. For example, it can't be true. Another example is, this can't be happening. That's all today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.